Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we will take a look at justify content, which is again related to flex. So as you can see that here we have a div with a class of container. So we have a container. Inside it we have a section, and in this section we have one h1 which says justify content, and then we have contents. Let's take a look at first h2 and the div just next to it. So it is justify content start, the parent div, and inside it we have 3 children. And the parent is having a class of dflex, which means display flex. And next justify content start, and mb2 means margin bottom 2 units. Don't need to worry about it, we will discuss about it later on. Just remember margin bottom 2 units, that's it. Okay, so justify content start. After that we have justify content center. Remember these classes are attached to the parent. Okay, all right, now just take a look. So open in browser. So the first one, which is justify content start, see only, this is the default one. Okay, next we have justify content center, where the whole content is placed right at the center. Next justify content end, the whole content is placed at the end. Next justify content between. What does it mean? Justify content between is, see here we have 3 elements, right? One here, the mid one here, and the end one here, which means these elements will have equal spacing between them. Equal spacing, alright, between them. That's why justify content between. Then we have justify content around. What is this? Here we have some amount of space, say x amount of space. Then here the space is big, right? Here also the space is big, but again here it is small. The thing is, around each element we will have equal space. Say for example here we have x space, x unit space. Here also we have x unit space, alright? Then again here also x unit space. Again here x unit, x unit, x unit. So that's why at the ends we have x unit, and in between we have 2x unit. Alright. Next we have justify content evenly. Here we will be having equal space. Here we have x unit, here also x, here also x, here also x. That's why it says justify content evenly. So again, let's take a look at the classes that is there. For justify content start, as the name suggests, it is justify hyphen content hyphen start. Next justify hyphen content hyphen center. Next justify content end. All have hyphens, yeah. Alright, next justify content between, then justify hyphen content hyphen around, and justify content evenly. Alright, so again let me tell you, justify content start, the whole content is starting from the start point, which is by default. Okay, by default this is this one only. Next we have justify content center, the whole content is placed right at the center. Next justify content end, the whole content is placed right at the end. Okay, see, this whole content is placed at the end. Next we have justify content between, where we have equal spacing between items. Next justify content around, each element will have equal space around. Okay, next justify content evenly means between each items we will have same spacing as we will have at the start and at the end. Yeah, okay. So I hope that you have got the concept. If you have any issue, let me know, and you will have this resource file. So play around with it. You will get to know much better. Okay, guys. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.